Here, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Mhm.
Zoom a little bit, sir. Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now it is okay. You can see.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Right. So in this SAP we call, then we went into R by 3 also. Hmm? Hmm?
Mhm.
Have you seen R by 3? Hmm?
Yes, sir. Arbitration.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So R by 1, R by 2, and R by 3. And R by 3 is the one which is common nowadays, right? But in R by
Current one.
3 again, again, there are what you call particles. In development server also again 100 or 120, 120, 130, etc. are there.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Okay.
So here, what until where you have done?
Table names.
One second, sir. No, one second. So yeah. So ASAP was over yesterday.
The basic introduction was done.
No, ASAP methodology I told you yesterday.
No, no, no.
Sorry, sir. AC?
ASAP methodology.
No,
This
no.
one, this one, this one.
No, no.
ASAP. No, no. Okay.
Mm.
And this diagram you have seen?
Oh, no, no.
Yes, sir. Table names.
Which one?
Till table names we have completed.
Up to this table ASAP methodology upward. The table one up to there it was completed. Rest of this is not completed.
Table, no?
Mm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah. So the point is here again. We are actually what is our model?
SD.
SD.
SD. Okay. So our SD model is nothing but a functional model, right? That means we don't have any
Okay.
technicalities,
Technical,
right?
yes. Mhm.
Okay. So any functional model, whatever it is, maybe PP, MM, HR, SD, FICO, etc. These are all functional models. The data is stored in the ABAP tables and ABAP fields.
Mhm.
Okay, ABAP tables and ABAP fields. So in general example, here you see the diagram, right?
Mm.
Box, no? So
Yes.
this box is there. This is called as table. Example I'm saying. And in the table again there is a field. Suppose for example,
Mm.
unit of measure is there. Unit of measure is table. Example, in unit of measure you have kg, numbers, cartons, centimeter, etc. How you measure it,
Okay.
and that you will choose depending upon your material. Like
Mhm.
so, suppose car is there. How you will measure the car? Quantity, no? One piece, two piece, three piece. Correct, no?
Yes.
You will not measure it as liters. Correct, no?
Mm. Yes.
Hmm? So like that. So whatever the data is there, whatever the data you are doing it is stored inside the server. That we know. But in the server, how? Through tables and fields.
Only. Mm.
Tables and fields. For example, like you, I have given, I think, suppose a plant is there. In SAP, the plant table is VERKS, works. For material master data, MATNR. For customer master data, KUNR.
Okay.
Okay, one example I have
Okay.
given. For example, material master is there, material number is there, material name is there, unit of measure is there, weight is there. So here you enter. Meter number means some number, name is there. Name you can give. A Honda City Redux is there. Unit of measure each is there. Weight 1000 kg is there. Like that. You give kgs is there. This data,
Okay.
though you write in a field, but that the data is again stored in the respective what you call tables and fields. There is a point here. Okay.
Okay.
Now coming to our server, normal server, it could be CC or it could be HANA. It could be old server or the new version or the old version. This box you see,
Yes, yes.
box. This is the server. Okay. Inside the server, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 server modules are built in. Okay. In the server, these 6 modules are built in.
Models. Yes.
And each module, like SD is linked. The line means integration, link. Okay. So this is a box means server, circle means module, line means integration, link.
Okay.
So one module is linked to other 5 modules. So 1:5. Like SD is integrated to MM, PP, HR, FICO, and ABAP. MM is integrated to SD, PP, ABAP, FICO, HR, like that. So what do you mean by built-in? So this server consists of 6 modules which are built-in. Built-in means default. That is, SAP has defined these modules. For example, suppose a company wants to implement SAP, okay, when generally the company want to implement SAP, that means they have to must and should implement or install MM, SD, PP, HR, FICO, and ABAP.
Okay.
Minimum.
In server.
Okay.
In server.
Yeah. Within server, these are the 6 are there.
Okay.
Within the server, 6 are there.
Okay.
See, you take any company. A manufacturing company, production company. So a company will have finance department.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
They will have HR department. They have sales department, production department, management department, and to control this, maintain this, we have ABAP. Like
Yes.
so, the meaning is in a management company, these departments are must and should. So that's why these modules are also to be implemented. That is the point.
Okay.
So any
Okay.
manufacturing or production company will have these 6 modules compulsory.
Okay.
Then on right hand side you see CRM, SCM, Ariba, etc. Now these are options. Option means what? Like one company is a customer oriented company. They may go for CR. Extra I'm saying.
Do we need to learn CRM also?
Yeah. So suppose a company is there which is a customer oriented company. So they want to manage more customers.
Okay.
They will tell us that we are a customer oriented company. Do you have customer relevant module? You can say yes. So, but that is a different server, different module, different server, different person, different money, different implementation. And
Okay.
you need to link to our normal server. This line is nothing but link.
Okay.
Now client will say, okay, I don't want all these things. I want only CRM. Client will say, I want only CRM. Can you give? You can say no. Why? Because only CRM, if you implement, it will not work. Why? Because it is not a standalone server. What do you mean by standalone server? Means
Only one server can handle
it is
all the
not a
things.
standalone server. That means the CRM alone can't work on its own. It
Yes,
is
yes.
dependent on this one.
Yeah. Interlinking to each other.
Yes. Why? When you want CRM, it takes the data from SD, MM, PP, FICO also, ABAP also.
Okay.
So CRM alone can't work. Similarly, SCM, Ariba or X. But you can combine it. So that means a client may have one or more servers depending upon his requirement.
Yes.
Depending upon his requirement, he can have one or more servers. And that depends upon the requirement or business process, you can say, or business flow, you can say, and of course, the budget. Correct? Because CRM is a separate server, so he has to spend more amount, separate money, separate person to implement. Okay. SCM again is a separate module, advanced modules. Ariba also separate module again, like that. Okay. So a one client may have one or more models, and this structure, what you see, is called a landscape. Okay, it's called a landscape.
Yes.
What do you mean landscape? It is nothing but number of servers or models and location. Location means Delhi, Bombay, where it is located. Where is the server located?
Combination of number of servers, right?
Yep. Yeah, what you told?
Combination of many servers. Landscape means?
Yes. Combination of different servers, different models, you can say. And what are the servers? What server you have? RV3 or S4HANA and CRM, like that we can call. Or CRM and
Okay.
SCM in another company. Or UCC or S4HANA and Ariba, like that.
Okay.
Yeah? Yeah. Yes. So now, this is the end user support and consultant. Is over, I think, no?
Yes, yes, yes. This one is over.
This is also over. This one is
No,
also
this is not over. Infosys one is not over.
no, okay. So, I am using the word client many times, right? What is the meaning of client here? Tell me. What you understood?
Client means any who want requirement from any company is a client.
Who? Repeat again.
Client
Who,
SAP,
who
only the SAP consultant.
Mm-hmm.
Requirement of SAP.
Here in the example, you are here now. Okay, here PP is
mm,
there and one module. Okay, you can take any module. Okay, so you are here. No? You join a company called Infosys. Okay, Infosys gets the projects. Maybe Honda, Bajaj, Glaxo, and they are having office in USA from USA also. Okay, now I will take one example of Honda. Think that you are employee of Infosys. Okay, think in that way. You finish the course, then you apply for the job after some time, and you got a job in Infosys. Think in that way. Okay. Now you know Infosys is a big company, right?
yes.
Okay. They get projects within India and abroad also. Okay. So I will take one example of Honda. Honda. Let me take Honda. Now Honda is a big company. We know Honda is a big company manufacturing cars. We know that. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm? We know that. So now Honda in Honda, no, the board of directors, what they will do, they will decide that they want to implement SAP in their company. So think that Honda is not having SAP in their company, but they are using some other software, maybe Oracle, maybe something else, but they are not happy. So what they will do, they will decide, okay, we'll remove Oracle and we will implement SAP in our company, in their company. Okay. So what they will do? Board of directors will decide, okay, we'll go for this one and I'll allocate the budget 50 crores, 100 crores like that. Now they can't do on their own, they can't implement. So what they will do? They will approach Infosys. They will tell Infosys that they want to implement SAP. So they will give contract to Infosys. And this contract we are no way concerned. Okay. Right. Now what happens after the contract is over? After the contract is over, now Infosys, many people are there. So they will select one group. They will select one group. In that group, you are also there. So the group can be maybe 8 people or 10 people or 15 people. One SD, one MM, one PP, one FICO, one HR, 2, 3 ABAPers will be there. Okay. And above you will be, what you call, project manager. Above you will be project manager. So one group is formed and this group is given the project called as Honda project. So you will say that I am on a project. What project? Honda project. Right? Now, after the group is formed, then what happens? So your group, you and your group is responsible for implementing SAP in Honda.
Okay.
Right? Your group is responsible to customize and implement SAP in Honda. So now Honda is called as a client. Honda is called as a client and Info is called as the implementing partner. Implement చేసేవాడు करने वाला,
Okay.
implement करने वाला. Okay? Honda is called as a client and Info is called as the implementing partner. Now this will go for 1 year. Average, it will be 10 months, 8 months also, or 1.5 years also, depending upon the size of the client, the company. And data. More the data, more your time will take. So 1 year it will take to implement the SAP. So you do your work, FICO person will do FICO work, ABAPers will do ABAP work. Okay, like that. It will go on. Okay. Then after 1 year, project is over. Then you will be given second project, Bajaj, like that. Or if your work is good, you are selected for USA project. Like that. You will be sent to USA. Like that. Here?
Yes, sir.
So this is your job role.
Yes.
Understood now? Job role?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So as a consultant, your work is to customize and implement SAP module. What module? You are into SD, right?
SD.
If it is SD. Okay, like that. Right? Understood or clear this diagram?
Yes, sir.
So think that you are into Infosys and you are implementing SAP in Honda. That's it. Now, what you do is, okay, you are saying that you got the client, you are given the responsibility. Then what you should do? You don't go to Honda and do everything and come. You should follow some steps. You can say steps, stages, or rules you can call. Okay. And that is called as ASAP methodology. ASAP methodology. What do you mean by ASAP? A means accelerated. What do you mean by acceleration? Tell me. Accelerated means what? Acceleration. Car acceleration or bike acceleration means what?
Speed.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by acceleration?
Speed.
Acceleration means giving power.
Yes. Okay, speeding up or giving power. Okay. That means to implement SAP, you proceed. You proceed based upon some parameters. Okay.
Okay.
Acceleration doesn't mean that you go with 150 speed. So there are some rules, no? You should follow some
Yes, sir.
rules. Okay. So
Yes.
what those rules or you can say steps are called as ASAP method. A stands for accelerated SAP. So what are they? First rule is as a study or collection of raw data. What do you mean? What do you mean? The meaning is that, see, we know Honda is a big company, car manufacturing company that but we don't know how it works. Internally, you don't know. We don't know what is the company structure. We don't know how many departments are there, how many plants are there, how many sales departments are there, how many sales officers are there, okay, how many dealers are there. We don't know. Do you know? Outside, we don't know. So you need to collect the raw data. How you collect it? You will ask the other person. So like we have our group, like I told our group 8 or 10 or 15 people. Similarly, they also have their own group. So their group will be, now, each person from their department will have form a group. you can say sales executive or sales manager from purchase executive or purchase manager like that. Okay, somebody. Okay. Hmm?
Okay.
So
Okay.
like we are having group, they also have their own group. So these two groups will sit in a room initially. So we will discuss. So you are SD, so you will be given SD, sales executive or assistant manager sales. So you need to ask the questions to him. You put questions. It could be face-to-face questioning or questionnaire or pen drive or WhatsApp or email, okay, or in any format. You need to know how they are working. So how a Honda is working without SCP. So you need to collect all the information. So first step is as is study. As is study means without SAP, how they are working. How many
Okay.
documents are there? Do you have credit check? Okay, what are the controls in the document? Okay, how many types of sales orders are there? Right? Etc. What is the pricing? How the price is calculated? Etc. etc. All this. So once the raw data is collected, you need to refine it, called as blueprint. So blueprint is nothing but a Word document. Hmm? Blueprint is a
Blueprint
Word.
means
Blueprint means a Word document. Word document.
Word. Okay. Okay. Word
Word
document.
document. In that you enter everything. So in
Separately.
blueprint,
What are
yeah,
the
yeah,
data
um,
get in first step? We need to
hmm.
enter and again blueprint.
Uh,
Okay.
it is simultaneous only. You go on collecting data,
Okay.
you go on entering the data in here. Okay. So it is nothing but what you are doing in blueprint is what the client has told and what you are able to do in SAP. See, client doesn't know SAP. Okay.
Yes.
Client doesn't know SAP language. So he will tell in his own language. So you should think, okay, this is what he told. This can be fit in SAP in this way. So the meaning is that what client wants, you are entering, and what you can do in SAP, you are putting into paper, blueprint.
Mm,
So it is nothing but a
okay.
refined data. You are refining, no?
Yes.
Why you are refining? Why the name refining is there? Because whatever he's telling is a raw language, okay, and you are putting in your own language, SAP language,
Okay.
okay. So the blueprint is a Word document. It could be 200 pages or 500 pages or 300 pages. It depends upon the size of the company. So here, each module person will have his own blueprint. Hmm?
Okay.
We have our own blueprint. MM will have his own blueprint. Okay, PP will have his own blueprint. FICO will have his own blueprint. Like that. They have their own blueprints. Okay. Now after the blueprint is over, then the main is your relation. Relation is nothing but customizing and implementation. That means this is the actual work we do in the system. So whatever he told, we have written, but that has to be done in the system, no server.
Yes. Yes.
So this is the work. So number three is important, and this is our 80% of work is relation.
Mhm.
So collection of data, refine data, etc. will take one month or something, 1 2 months. But whereas relation phase maybe 7 8 months.
Okay.
You create enterprise structure, you create documents. Okay, you create some few things, pricing chart also. So many things you do in relation phase. This relation phase is what we do. So as SAP SD concerned, we our work is in relation phase only. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Now, after relation phase means after almost after you can say after the relation phase is over, after implementation is over, then you will give some gap analysis. Maybe 10 15 days you will put separately. Then in this, what happened? You will check everything. You will check everything means you will test everything is perfect or not, and also you are now able to upload the old data, uploading and testing of the legacy data. So legacy data means what? Old data. What do you mean by old data? Old data means, see, a company is there already. They may have 10 years old data, 5 years old data, or 1 year data, or 20 years old data. No? Old data you can't
Yes,
throw,
yes,
right? Old data you can't throw. So
yes.
that data will be uploaded in the system.
Okay.
After uploading, checking, testing. Now here
Yeah.
you can use the help of ABAPers.
Okay.
Okay, uploading is not our work. Okay, so it is the work of ABAPers,
Okay.
right? So in gap analysis, maybe within 15 days or 10 days, you upload the data, you test the data, whole data. So then you train the front end user also. What do you mean training?
Okay.
Training is nothing but you are not training what you have done. You are training only front end only. You are training front end work, like how to create the document, what to enter in the document, which button to press, which button not to press, like that. Okay.
Okay.
So gap analysis is uploading and testing and training of the to the end user. Okay. Now once everything is over, again a date is fixed for go live. Number 5.
Mhm.
Go live means what? Final date. So
Yeah.
on this date, we will hand over the hardware and software, means production server.
Yes, sir.
So from that day, they will start using the server.
Okay.
Hmm? From that date, they will start using the server, means production server. But there will be some small issues may come now. Hmm?
Yes.
Yes.
Price is not coming, price is not, or quantity is not showing. So some problem will be there definitely. So we give support. Now support can be for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It depends upon the contract.
Okay.
Hmm? It depends
Okay.
upon the contract made between the two companies. Okay. Hmm? So by this, what happens from 1 to 6, one project is over. Our work is over. You may call one
Okay.
project, or you may call one life cycle, or one end-to-end cycle. Different names are there. Okay. Hmm?
Okay.
Like this. Now our work is over. You go. You depart from there. Okay. Your work is over. You are given one more project, Bajaj project.
We are assigning another project.
But client will say after you go, if problem comes, what I should do? Hmm?
Sorry.
Client will tell project manager that after you go, if problem comes, so what I should do? So you tell
Okay.
that you means your project manager, you give one more project, support project, number 7,
Okay.
for 1 year. That you
Mm.
may call as AMC, annual maintenance contract.
Okay.
Okay.
So in the AMC, what happens? This support project is different project. You are no way concerned. Hmm? You are no way concerned. Now this support project is a different project. Okay, and different money. Okay, different money he has to pay, and this is given to support department. In Infosys, we have support department also. In Infosys, we have customizing department and support department. So this
Okay.
support will go to the support department. There, people will do their pressures they are regular, and whatever the problem comes, they will solve it on daily basis. Okay,
Okay.
Okay. So can you please write what is AMC in down and G
annual
in
maintenance contract.
yeah.
Annual maintenance contract.
Okay, sir.
So it is a separate contract for support.
Yes.
So it could be for 1 year or 6 months. It depends upon the client, how he wants.
Okay. Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, in step 3, customization and implementation, and the
Mm.
step 4, gap analysis. In gap analysis, why do we gather old data? What is the requirement? Because in the step 3 we are customizing, and in the step 4 we are collecting the raw data. We will customize. What is the uh, why we use
See,
old data
it
in
is a
step
rule.
4?
There is a rule in government rule. that any company should maintain almost minimum 7 years of data. Because see, you have sold
Okay.
one material, okay? You have sold one material. Let us say
Yes, yes.
today you have sold one
Yes.
material. Hmm? So that
Mm.
whom you have sold, what is the material, okay, extra should be maintained.
Okay.
Or if problem comes, how I can know?
Yes, yes.
So the data has to be maintained, no?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm? So
Yeah.
every data has to be maintained. 7 years old data has to be maintained, minimum. If you maintain 10
Okay.
years old, is up to you. But minimum 7 years old
Uh,
data is there according to government.
okay. In this step 3 and step 4, we are comparing old and new data.
Not comparing. Old data
O-
need to be implemented.
Okay,
Then
okay,
on go live data, it will be new data.
okay, okay,
Okay. So
okay.
transactions will go on coming, no?
Yes, 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 yes.
So what we are doing is there is a cutoff point. What we are doing is to implement SAP, there is a cutoff point. Okay, from this date, we will start using. Hmm? From this
Okay,
date, we will start using. So until that date, the transaction will be in Excel sheet, etc.
okay,
Then we load it, upload it like that.
Okay.
Right? Hmm?
okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now this, whatever I told, let me see what is missing. Yeah. Hmm? So until here, our introduction is over.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. So yesterday and today, what we have done, we are into introduction, and this introduction is normal. Anybody should know this minimum.
Okay.
okay.
Hmm? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what we will do is we'll go to second step, second chapter. You can say. So think that this is the first chapter. Okay. Think that is the first
Okay,
Okay.
chapter, and then we'll go to second chapter. So second chapter is nothing
Okay.
but enterprise structure.
Okay.
Okay. Let me open it. Okay. I'll just 1 minute. Now here, Oppo. Who is Oppo? Madam.
I'm on Oppo, sir.
See? Now check up whether you can see the screen now.
Yes, sir.
yes,
I can
sir.
see the screen.
Yes, yes.
Now this is the enterprise structure, right? Okay. So this is the enterprise structure. Now I told you as a study, right? First, as ASA methodology is as
Yes, sir.
now first task is to understand the company first.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay, understanding Honda in a broader way. So first task is to understand the company structure.
Okay.
Enterprise structure means company structure. Okay.
Mm.
Now from here you go to the last column, like
Okay.
this one, group of companies, sales organization. Can you see this?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
So this diagram is based from SD angle, MM angle, PP angle, and FICO angle. Okay. So our focus is SD, right? Our focus is SD. First, I will tell you
Yes,
from
sir.
Yes,
SD
sir.
angle. From SD angle. Okay. Hmm? Right. So here,
Okay.
so client is there, right? I told you client, right? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So a client is called as a group of company, Honda.
Mm.
Okay. This Honda will be having many companies. So here, if you look here, see group of companies Honda. Hmm? In this group of companies, there are many companies like company one, company two, etc. Okay. So company one is
Mm.
HAL, Honda Automobiles India Limited, and second company is Honda Automobiles Tractors Limited, different company.
Mhm.
So a group
Okay.
can have multiple companies. A group can have
Multiple
multiple
companies.
companies. Okay. Group will be only one. Throughout the world, Honda is only one. Honda Group is one only throughout the world. Honda Group, Bajaj Group, Walmart Group, etc. Only one. Okay. But that group will be having many companies under it. Okay.
Mm.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Now think that we will focus on one company. Company code 1, HIL. Okay. Now
Okay.
this company, what they manufacture? HIL. What they manufacture? Car.
Sales
Automobiles.
and organization.
They manufacture car and sell. Okay. How they sell the cars? Through sales
Okay.
sales headquarters. How they sell? Through sales headquarters. That sales headquarters is called as sales organization. HASO. So a group of companies there, then company code is there. Under company code, there can be many sales organizations. Sales organization 1, HASO, sales organization 2, some code. You can have many, 5, 10, 15 also. Or I will give one example. Client has decided that we have two sales organizations. Sales organization 1 is for domestic sales. Sales organization 2 for export sales. Clear, no?
Yes.
Hmm? So they want to separate domestic sales, one sales operation, exports, one more sales operation. Okay? Clear now?
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So I will take one example. Sales operation 1, HASO. Now where is the company? Delhi. Group of companies, Delhi headquarters, company code is also. Sales operation also in Delhi. Now a person in Delhi, can he sell throughout India alone? Tell me.
No.
No. So they will open offices, sales offices
Okay.
in each state, maybe in each state. Hmm? They'll open
Okay.
sales office in each state. So in India, how many are there? States? 39 are there, I think. 40. Let's say 40. Okay. 40. So that sales organization open 40 or maybe 50 or 100 also. Okay. Maybe in one state, the two sales offices. Suppose Maharashtra is a big state, right? Bombay and
Yes.
Nagpur. Bombay and Nagpur. Example, okay? So
Mm.
possible, right? So they will open many sales offices. And in sales office, who will control? Sales executive, which is called a sales group.
Okay.
Okay. So sales office will have many sales offices, and in each sales office there will be sales group. For example, Hyderabad sales office. In Hyderabad, Nagesh is the sales group. Nagesh is the person who is selling the goods. Okay. Now, even Nagesh also can't sell. In Telangana is a big state. Can I roam every district of Telangana? No. What I will do? I will appoint dealers. So this is called distribution channel.
Okay.
So a company or a sales organization can have multiple or many distribution channels, like dealer, wholesaler, retailer. Okay.
Yes.
Company's own showroom also is there, or franchise is there, or e-sales also, commerce, e-commerce also. There can be many distribution channels. Like HD means Honda dealers. You can give alphanumeric code. Okay. Now what dealers will do? They will sell the products. So division is one product, division 2 is another product. So division 1 can be HC means cars. So division 1 can be Honda City cars. Division 2 can be Amaze car, like that. Or division 1 can be cars below 1000 cc. Division 2 can be cars below 2000 cc. Division 3 can be cars below 3000 cc, like that. Division 4 can be spare parts. Division 5 can be services, like that. Clear?
Yes.
So one below the other. So this is a structure from SD angle.
Okay.
This is a structure from SD angle. So a group of company is one. A group of company can have many sales, many company codes. One company code can have many sales organizations. One sales can have many offices, and they can have many DC divisions and divisions. Like that. So this is the work of SD. Our work.
Hmm.
So in real time, you need to create a sales organization, sales office, DC division. But who will create a group of company? FICO person.
Okay.
Okay.
DC. So group of company, controlling area, business area, financial management area, company code. These are all done by FICO person. So SD is clear to you, right? Now we
Yes.
come to PP and MM. PP and MM also will see. So in PP, plant is important. PP and MM plant is important. So a company can have many plants. Okay. So there can be many companies, 4 companies or 1 company or 10 companies also, 10 plants also. So a company can have 100 many plants. So plant 1, plant 2, plant 3. I will take plant 1 and I will give the code HAPT. Honda Automobiles PT means plant. In plant, what you do, tell me?
Warehouses.
Manufacturing.
What?
Manufacturing.
Yeah. In plant, we produce or manufacture. We produce cars. And after producing, what you will do? You have to store, no?
Yes.
Where you will store? You will store in the storage location. Okay.
Yes.
In the plant, you produce the goods, and after producing, you have to store in the storage location. So a plant can have many storage locations. So store location 1 can be for city car. Store location 2 can be for Amaze car. Okay. Store location 3 can be for Zaz. Okay,
Okay.
okay, right?
Okay.
Right. And this store location also can have many address store location. This one. So what do you mean by address location? It is nothing but same storage only, but out of the plant. So company is in Delhi, but plant is in Noida, right? Hmm?
Hmm.
Plant and store location is Noida, but address of store location can be in Hyderabad.
It's a type of godowns, like.
Okay. Why? Because Hyderabad is also a big market. So they have one godown. Address of means nothing but godown. They will store the
Godown.
goods there. So godown is called as address of store. Simple language.
Okay.
Okay. And within the plant will be shipping point, loading point, warehouse also. Shipping point means what? One corner in the plant where the goods are shipped, the goods are sent to customer.
Hmm.
Okay. But who will create the structure? We do not create. PP or MM person will create the structure. Okay.
Okay.
Now apart from that, now we will go to MM also. Like group of company, plant. The plant will have purchasing department also. Purchase organization. A plant will have purchase organization also. What is the purpose of purchase organization? Tell me.
Purchase.
What is the purpose of purchase organization?
We need to know how many orders getting, how many orders are selling.
No, wrong. Purchase
Distribution
organization.
Purchase
type of.
means buying something.
Yes, correct. So in our company, we produce cars, right?
Yes.
We manufacture cars. We produce cars. But are we producing each and every part of the car? Like tire, example, tire is there. Are we producing car tire?
No.
No. What we'll do? We'll purchase from outside and fit it.
Yes.
We purchase from say Michelin or maybe Apollo, okay, or JK tires, and we fit the tire to the car. So that purchase is done by the purchase department. Like we have sales department to sell. Similarly, we have purchase department to purchase. In purchase department, who is purchasing? Purchasing group. Like Nagesh is a person. So there can be money purchase. So purchase organization 1 is used for purchasing the domestic goods, and purchase organization 2 PO2 is used for purchasing the import goods from abroad. Okay,
Okay. I understand.
right? So, but I will take one example of purchasing organization 1, HAPO, can have multiple purchasing groups. So Nagesh is one, or etc. So I am given responsibility to purchase the tire. You are given to purchase the chassis. Another is person is given to purchase the, say, seats, like that. Okay, like that. Okay. Now this purchasing
Okay.
part is done by MM only. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So what we have seen is we have seen the structure, enterprise structure from SD angle,
PP
EP and
angle,
MM angle,
FICO,
and MM angle.
Yeah.
Okay. Now think that this is a
Okay.
blueprint. Think that this is a blueprint. Now this has to be customized in the system.
Okay.
Right. Now the plant have given one more diagram is there. Plant, just for understanding sake. So plant is there. So let us say this upper part is production area, manufacturing area. Okay. And within the plant you have many storage location 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one corner is shipping point and loading point. And you have address of storage location 1 in Hyderabad.
Okay.
Out of the plant. Out of the plant. Okay.
Okay.
So is it clear to you, everything?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So this is the structure. And this structure has to be maintained in the system. So are you given the server?
No.
No, sir.
So you need to take the server access. So
Okay.
from tomorrow, so we'll stop here. From tomorrow, we'll sit on server. So theory is over. So from tomorrow, there is no theory.
Okay.
So tomorrow, what we'll do, I will give introduction to server, how the server looks, how to go, okay, then etc. Then we'll take a second chapter called enterprise structure. We'll start implementing the enterprise structure from all angles, from SD, MM, PP, FICO angle, etc. Okay.
So do we get any notes for remembering this one?
One is the recording what you will get. Okay.
Okay.
And for at least for tomorrow's sake, what you do, you today, if whenever you are free, just have a look at this diagram.
Okay.
Just have a
So
look at it.
actually, I didn't get any recording access.
Why?
I don't know, but
No.
I didn't get
See,
any recording.
no. Listen. So what happens is when I close this session, when I close
Okay.
it, the recording will happen in your laptop automatically. So
अच्छा.
that will happen automatically, and you need to wait for some time. So what happens
Okay.
is that whatever the data is loaded, it will convert into some other file. So you need to wait for some time. Don't shut down
Okay.
your laptop immediately.
Okay.
So keep open for some time. It will convert to some other file and it will store somewhere. So
Okay.
that somewhere means what? Whether it is stored in C drive or D drive or that you need to search.
Okay.
So file will be some Zoom. It will start with Zoom something. Okay, like that.
Oh.
So as soon as the class is over, don't shut down your laptop. Keep the laptop on for some time.
Okay.
Someday it will show also that converting line. Okay. Okay. Wait for some. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Done.
Okay. So what you do is today you speak to madam and take the server access, both of you. I also
Okay,
need
sir.
server access. Okay.
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 Okay,
Right.
sir.
Okay. So I'm closing now. So we'll meet tomorrow. Okay. Right.
Daily
Okay.
same link, sir.
Same name. Daily same. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay then. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Madam, you
Okay.
are there?
Bye.
1 minute. Hello, madam.
No, sir. Man is not there.
Okay. You can call after some time, maybe 10 o'clock like that. You can call and then confirm. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay then, bye. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.